welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find vibration options in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To find our vibration options, we will have to go to Settings, then Sound and Ringtone, and here we have few options. For example, we can change call vibration, or turn it off. We have vibration intensity. We can customize to every function we need: media, system, notifications, and call. We simply drag this little slider here, and that's it. Just leave the slider in the position we want, and it's changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.